Hey folks, I'm HP's Dr. Pink, and today's topic is a good old standard. Take the A train. And we're gonna learn the theme here. The theme, a little bit stuff around. Yeah, that's the way how it is written in the real book, in the All-American Real Book. And here comes a trick. Even it's written this way there. You don't really have to play it exactly that way. But I'm first going to show how the theme is played exactly that way and then give you some instructions. How you can make it more freely, more your own version and more cool. And that's basically the topic of this tutorial. Okay, folks, even often when you read themes of jazz standards, it's played one octave higher than it's written down. So, wait, to be like this. In this case, I think it's cooler to play the original pitch. Yeah, so we do the original pitch here. So this one goes like this. Basically, it's played around. Since the tune is C major, we played around C major in this position. Third, fifth, second, third, fifth, second, fourth, fifth, third, fifth, sixth. Even it doesn't really work for all things, but this is around, I mean, it's not really in C major, but it's around in this position. So, let's get started with the theme. So, is this one here. First we play, let's just play the C major arpeggio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. This comes on one end of the second bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3. And then 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. That's the really famous part of it. This one here. Yeah. And we already left C major here, but that's how it is. Then we play the A here in the 7th fret, and then comes the tricky part, this one. That's really tricky. Here we have 2nd fret, 3rd, 4th. It's a typical bebop phrase. Playing around with approach notes. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Down here, 5, 4, 3, 6, 1, 5, 2. Fingering is essential here because it's a little bit tricky. Pinky. That's the way it works. Yeah. So this part is played twice. That's called A section. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3, 4. If you can count like me, I'm doing now, and play it, you're really precise. What you don't see here is your foot on 2/4. So 1, 2, 3. That's the counting you do. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 4, 1. You can also do it here. If you have this 2/4 feeling with your foot inside your whole body, you swing and groove way more than when you just play the theme. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Then comes the 2 times A part, then the B part. So it starts here, 7, 5, 1 and 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 5th fret. This is an F major 7 chord, just played as a picture. So 1 and 2, 7th fret, 5th fret, 5, 8, 7, 5, 5, 7. So 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. The same figure now, but now we're playing it on the D7. So same figure as before, but now 5, 9, 7, 5, 5, 7, and then here in the 6th fret, the G sharp. So we play the B section now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then comes the A section again, which I showed before. Now, if you play it through, then the whole thing starts again after one A section. If it's the last time, then comes this ending. This one is on the last bar, instead of repeating the whole thing again, if it's the last time, we play this here. So 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now we slide up, 7, 4, 4, 5. Why we slide up? Because it's more smoother. You can stay in position, but it doesn't really sound smooth. That's not nice. That's much smoother. Yeah, and that's basically the entire theme, which I'm gonna play once again now on the closure. 1, 2, 3. B part. Now gonna play the ending. So that would be the ending if it would have been the last time. Otherwise, it would have repeated itself again. Good, so that was the theme, how it is played exact as written down in the real book. If you play in an orchestra, there's no way of altering the theme. But if you play as a solo instrument, as a solo guitarist, there, like if you enter the second chorus, so you don't want to play it right on line, you can go with the flow and play around the melody a little bit. Play it with the rhythm. I'm going to give an example. and now I played around the melody, and either in between there are long pauses of the theme. You can play inside the theme, or you can stay on the melody and make more rhythm variations on the long notes, and then you pretty cool to have something going on, which is if you play the theme twice, it's more interesting. Or you want to enter the improvisation, you open up and by playing the theme and getting more into just, I mean, you can also use it to the 2/4 to make more percussive. Especially on the beat part, I found the beat part in the original written version too static, and I don't really like it. So there's a lot of space to make it different, but don't make it too far away from the original melody. But this only works if you play it alone, not with the arrangement of horns or whatever. Yeah, and then you're pretty cool to really get stuff going on by playing the theme here of Take the A Train. Yeah, folks, that was Take the A Train, play the theme, make variations on the theme. It's already, a variation on the theme is already a little bit improvisation, so it's not really structured the way you have to do exactly like that. If you want to get more into improvisation stuff, subscribe to my channel, because it's going to be a tutorial only about the improvisation on this tune, because that's a long topic, so it wouldn't be way too much. Put it in one tutorial, that could be like a 2 hours tutorial. A lot of concepts, stuff like that. Yeah, but for the theme, that's the way I would play it. This was very slow, 120 BPM. Faster things that works. The fingering is really made that it works slow, sorry, and fast. Yeah, one more to say. If you want to have the tabs or the backing track, which you heard here, you enter the HPCrazy Guitar Academy, subscribe there, and you can download it there. Follow me on Instagram, or follow me on Spotify for the guitar nights, and follow me on Facebook or wherever you want. On Google, you can follow me on Google now. Yeah, one more to say. That's basically what I wanted to say. Cool that you watched my tutorial. Me and Dr. Pink. Signing off.